Yes, sir. Good afternoon to all of you in today's session with eBay. In order to enable the exporters to take to aggressive marketing strategies in the growing difficult global market conditions, FIO had taken an initiative towards adopting additional export sales channels like e-commerce. And with this in mind, FIO had tied up with eBay in 2012. eBay India, one of the India's leading e-commerce marketplace and online shopping destination, where thousands of Indian entrepreneurs list a wide range of products across fine jewelry, gemstones, diamonds, fashion jewelry, home furnishing, etc. Their partner PayPal, the leading global online payments provider, provides safe and secure online payments in 25 currencies with PayPal's world-class security, risk, and fraud management system backed by customer support. This strategic tie-up was aimed to stimulate the growth of Indian retail exporters with special focus on MSME for giving them a ready available eBay global marketplace where they can while they can concentrate on their export productions. It has become more necessary now in present situation with the COVID-19, which continues to affect communities and day-to-day life of across the country. We have an expert from eBay today, Ms. Chetan Rathore, Associate Manager, Training and Education. She has experience in e-commerce and retail export for quite a year, and has worked across categories and regions during her tenure in eBay. She is also well aware about the current opportunities and challenges in retail export and e-commerce in general. She will apprise us on transitioning smoothly from a sole offline business mode to an integrated model that incorporates end-to-end services, right from listing the products, receiving the payments, etc. on eBay. Before I call upon Ms. Chetan, I request Mr. K. Unnikrishnan, Deputy Director General and Regional Head, FIO Southern Region, to give his welcome address. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, Soma. Very good afternoon to all of you. Madam Chetan Rathore, representative from eBay, and all our invitees, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome all of you to this session on jointly organized with eBay. All of you are aware that this pandemic is rapidly changing our behavior towards online channels. In fact, this is very much visible in all our activities. And while many companies are, a challenge to survive in a short term, we have seen that crisis given various opportunities to many companies which taken bold steps to invest on and especially on timely on online business, which make them as emerge as marketing leaders. Societal trends towards how we work, how we learn, how we shop, and how we use technology are changing very rapidly. While these trends are already unfolding before the crisis, we have seen that an acceleration in the recent past because of this COVID and other crises, which giving innumerable opportunities to the business who are in online. With a short-term reaction, this short-term reaction is need for survival. But if you have with some long-term vision and plan strategies, I'm sure that you will be winners, especially in this emerging time. Companies that invest courageously and timely, we have seen that capturing the market. Time is now to launch the digital marketplace and click and collect universe or acquire critical digital challenge. You have been considering to debut or invest on that. I'm sure that all of you should look into in this so that you can be in post pandemic time you can be a business leader. If you look at global retail business, it is almost in the dip of almost more than 10%. We have seen the various statistics which is available today. because it's a pandemic. But it's very interesting to see that online sales, on the other hand, when if you look at first quarter, it was around 26% growth, and the second quarter of this financial year, current year, it's around 40% growth. If you look at the e-commerce spending of many of the developed countries, for example, in the US, it has grown around 11.8% during the first quarter and around above 16% in the second quarter. That shows the kind of opportunities coming, especially in the e-commerce website. Towards this objective, as mentioned by Ms. Soma, we have a tie-up with eBay for providing platform to reach you in global with these e-commerce websites. And this session has been organized especially to talk about the importance of this displaying and promotion of your products. Few have joined with this eBay to help Indian retail exporters to go global and ultimately boost India's economic growth. We are working together to highlight the benefit of e-commerce for the Indian export sector. And second part is that what are challenges faced by this sector? There are a lot of challenges because of the retail export business, and few taking part in that to closely working with the policy makers to taking up the issues with the relevant government bodies, regulators, etc., so that this kind of issues will be removed and there will be smoothness in business. The e-commerce phenomenon, if you look at it, its last 25 years is growing. But if you look at India, its last 5 years, we have seen that substantial growth. In fact, in the B2C segment, as you are aware, that China is the leader, followed by US and UK. Because of a lot of sentiments against Chinese goods, there is huge opportunity we are envisaging that if you can look at this, if you get into this in the right time, you can capture at least some part of the market which China is already occupied. So I'm sure that this will be bring an excellent opportunity, especially Indian MSMEs and startups to gain market share, expanding their B2C commerce and the marketplace such as, and that is the reason we've joined with the market leader as eBay. And there are numerous clusters also in India, which we are working with them, and to see that all this MSME products created from cluster is being marketed across the globe. With this, I'm sure that this session will give you a lot of inputs on how to comments if you're not already on board with eBay. With this, over to you, Soma. Let's hope that it will be a good, useful session. I again welcome all of you to this session. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your very informative and encouraging welcome address. I now invite Ms. Chetan Rathore, Associate Manager Training and Education, eBay, to address and present her PPT regarding eBay's opportunities.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Soma, ma'am. Thank you, Unikrishnan, sir, for giving this opportunity to eBay to present retail export opportunity with all the sellers. Also, I want to welcome all the participants who have managed to attend this session. Thank you so much. With this, I will start eBay's presentation, all the detail about retail export opportunity and the process, how you can be with sellers with eBay, or what is the onboarding process and everything. And we will take questions at the end of session. I hope that's fine, Soma, ma'am.
Yes, it's okay. That's fine. That's fine.
All right. So once I complete the session, I would request everyone to share your questions, be it on chat or voice. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Thank you so much. All right. So as Soma ma'am and Unikrishnan sir has explained that what is the eBay and online e-commerce opportunity, because with the current situation of COVID and everything, online business is at boom. And this is the time where everyone can get this opportunity being online and have been a seller with eBay. So I want to share few insights and few data what eBay has. So eBay has 182 million active buyers. This is the data referred from our Q2 report. We have 190 markets with 39 sites. And if you see the slide, 65% revenue is international. So people think that it's only that India is doing business or US is doing business. Obviously, US is the biggest market for us, but 65% revenue comes from international market, which is apart from US. This is a very big number. So you can see that what kind of opportunity eBay has for sellers. Apart from that, in Q2, we have gained 27.1 billion GMV. This is simply indicates that what a huge opportunity sellers can have through eBay. Here, I just want to share a few details with you, what kind of velocity eBay has. eBay on US, you'll see that a watch sells in every 5 seconds. A sport trading card sells in every 1 second. Same way in UK, a makeup product, an appliance sells in 2 seconds, 5 seconds. Similarly, in Germany, Australia, a car or truck part sells every 1 second and 6 seconds. And video games in Germany sells in every 24 seconds, and smartphone case or cover seller sells every 5 seconds. So this velocity can indicate that how quickly and what is the velocity, how quickly these items are moving in international markets. Let's talk about eBay as a marketplace, how it works. So unlike to other marketplaces, we are the only e-commerce company who is human-centric and human-powered. We connect millions of buyers and sellers around, and the best part about eBay is eBay does not compete with its seller. eBay succeeds only when its sellers succeed. We create economic opportunity for all. For all means, be it you are a small enterpriser or you are a big manufacturer or a retailer or a wholesaler, you can do business directly on eBay. And there is no differentiation in any segment. Our purpose is to empower people, as I mentioned. We only partner with our sellers. We don't compete. That's a USP of eBay. And our marketplace is one of the highest, most vibrant in the world for discovering great value and unique selection. Whatever you are looking for, you'll get that on eBay. So this is simply overview that how a global marketplace works. You just simply, maybe you are already doing online business through any other portal, maybe you're already doing offline business. So in online business with eBay, it's very simple. You just need to register. You need to list your item, inventory you have. Buyers comes to eBay and they browse for it. You and buyer, seller and buyer connects with each other. Buyers select their inventory, they transact. So one more quality about eBay is that you need to ship your item only after you receive the payment. So unlike to your offline business, maybe in offline, their things are on credit. You need not to give any product on credit. Here with eBay, first you will receive the money and then you need to ship that item. eBay also invests in charity. So eBay believes in giving back. As I mentioned earlier, that once your item is sold, then only you need to ship the product. Receive and pickup will happen. We have our logistic partners with us. I'll be sharing the details with you all about those logistic partners also. And after that, buyer and seller exchange the feedbacks. And one more, most important thing, what all sellers or all buyers consider and are concerned about is their money back guarantee. That let's say if buyer says, I have purchased something, or maybe a seller sell any item online with eBay, your money is protected. If a buyer is fraud, you need not to worry about your money because eBay has a money back guarantee where your money is protected. So once with eBay, you get a payment through PayPal. We have PayPal policy also, PayPal protection policy. As same way, we have eBay protection policies for sellers and buyers both. Now let's have a glimpse about eBay cross-border trade from India. So that simply means all the sellers from India who are doing business abroad, other than India, US, UK, Australia, Germany, France, Italy. So US is obviously a biggest market for us, followed by UK and Australia. So we have more than 15,000 sellers with us. As I mentioned earlier, that we empower every entity, be it medium, small, brand, anyone, we empower our sellers. Along with that, we also provide local BD support. BD support means we have a dedicated business development team who assist you, starting from registration to listing to how to sell item, all the competitive analysis, research, sharing the data, everything this BD team supports starting from your onboarding to eBay. As I mentioned, we also share market research and insights. Along with that, we have eBay shipping and payment solution. For payment, we have PayPal, and for shipping, we have eBay Global Shipping Program where you can register and you can sell your item using our logistic. Same, you can also use your logistic, but we also provide a support for logistic services. And obviously, we enable seamless selling experience through eBay platform. These are few key categories where eBay has very good penetration and we are focused upon. So as you see, we have gems and jewelry category where we have all imitation jewelry, fine jewelry, diamond jewelry, all kind of gemstones and watches. The second highest category is home and beauty, where we our sellers sells item like home decor, home furnishing, all health, herbal products and beauty products. After that, we have business and industrial category with us, where all the business and industrial products from India are in demand. And in fashion category, we have all the clothing, shoe and accessories, including leather products, saris, your ethnic wear, your fashion dresses and everything. And last but not the least, we have also auto part category, where auto parts, two-wheeler, four-wheeler auto parts, your marine, your collectible items, everything comes into auto parts. So these are mainly all the categories where we deal with the multiple thousands of products. So if you deal in any of the category, eBay is for you, and you can sell your products through eBay. So let's come to the benefit. What are the benefits of selling on eBay? Because every platform, offline business, you see that what is the benefit. So with eBay, you have access to 39 sites with 190 countries marketplace buyer. So we have dedicated URLs, dedicated site where you can go and list. There are 39 sites, as I mentioned, US, UK, Australia, Germany, and European countries. So you are allowed to list on all sites. That's the benefit you get, so that you can touch upon all countries, and because every product has a different demand in different country, right? So by exploring these 39 sites, you can reach out to worldwide buyers. Along with that, as I already mentioned, you get your payments in advance. You need not to give anything on credit. Once the payment comes, then only you need to ship your item. Obviously, you will have a lower setup cost. Why? Because if you do offline business versus online business, in offline business, you need to have a offline store. You need to have multiple manpower to handle that, right? To inventory and everything. Here with eBay online business, you just need one laptop, desktop, active internet connection, and one person to start with. And obviously a very few required documentation. With this, in your offline business, you must face some installation, seasonality impact. So for an example, if you deal into some woolen items, and that has a demand only in winter season. But if you sell with eBay online, you can list that product, and maybe the weather conditions are different country-wise, your item is getting sold. So there is no seasonality impact if you sell with eBay. Obviously, you get more business once you apply all the insights, whatever market research we share with you. You can plan your business accordingly, and then you can increase your business. And obviously we support to Make in India for the world. So we promote all the Indian handmade and hand printed things so that they can reach out to the world. Now I'll talk about selling process, that what is the process. So you understood what are the benefits, why to do business with eBay. Now how to do business on eBay. So simply eBay as a marketplace, you just simply need to register yourself. That's free. After registration, you need to list your products on eBay site. That's eBay as a marketplace. We provide a limit, a selling limit to you, and you just need to list your items. Once you are done with your all listing, a listing has its photography, your title, your keywords and everything, your pricing, your shipping pricing, everything you need to decide where, as I mentioned, that we have a business development team support. They'll support you in each and everything, starting from registering and listing and giving all the guidance how to do that. Once your listings are done, you'll get the payment through PayPal, which is most trusted payment gateway in country and overall the world. So you'll get your money in PayPal, and that will be transferred to your bank account. So whatever bank account, be it saving, be it current account you have linked with your PayPal, you will get your money credited to your bank account. After that, once you have done the listing, you have received the payment, now you need to ship that item. So you need not to worry. So if you have your own private logistic partners with you, you can ship through that. Even if you say that, no, I want eBay services, we have eBay Global Shipping Program where we have partnered with multiple reputed logistic services. You can opt for their services, and they guys already have your price chart. You can refer that and you can plan your listing as well. I'll talk in a brief about eBay Global Shipping Program, how it works, because most of exporters have that query that right now, if you're doing offline export, you send the item in bulk, right? But once here with eBay, we are talking about retail export. So most of sellers, most of exporters have a question that how I'll ship one item through to any country. So for that, we have Global Shipping Program where we support our sellers to plan this and to send the items. So you are free to choose whatever services you want to choose, be it your personal courier or be it eBay services. If you choose for eBay Global Shipping Program, these are the benefit. The most important is cost, because we have deal with all the logistic partner and we have very good relationship. They give us a competitive pricing for our sellers. So let's say if you are getting a price in market XYZ, you will get a lesser price on eBay Global Shipping Program. Also, you have a shipment calculator where you can compare the pricing, because for every country, for every product, the shipping cost varies, right? You'll agree with me on this, because it depends what is the volumetric or weight of your product, which country you want to sell or which country you want to ship the item. So eBay Global Shipping Platform gives you an access to calculate your shipping. So you just need to put that which country you want to sell and what will be your product weight or volumetric weight. That way you'll get pricing there, and you can have that pricing in your listing price. Apart from that, you will also get 30 days credit period. So what is that? Even for eBay or for eBay Global Shipping Program, once you list, you sell item, and after 30 days, we send you an invoice to pay, and you get a 30 days credit period to pay that invoice. So in eBay's invoice, we add eBay Global Shipping, whatever services you have used, we add that to your eBay invoice, and you need to pay it within 30 days. So that's a best part. You need not to pay anything in advance. Apart from that, the buyer experience is also good, because on eBay, you'll have the real-time tracking facility. What is that? So in eBay panel, you can see that, okay, this item, you have shipped that item, you have handed over that to your logistic partner. And then if it's scanned or it's in transit or it's delivered, it shows the tracking on the eBay website, so that if in case buyer asks you, where is my item, you can share the details with the buyer. And at the same time, buyer is also able to see that tracking on eBay site. So you need not to do multiple communication with buyer. It's like real-time tracking is available there. So your buyer is also happy that, okay, my item is moving, and you need not to worry about it. Apart from that, there is door-to-door delivery, even for sellers. If you opt for any service, maybe DHL, FedEx, or Bombino, or any other logistic partner we have, there people will come at your door to pick up the item, and they deliver the item at the buyer's door, right? And you can also secure the item. So we have insurance facility as well available, so you can opt for that. We have multiple logistic partner. We have multiple shipping options like expedite, standard, economy. You are free to choose what shipping services, which logistic partner you want to opt for, which listing. So obviously our business development team supports you to decide that what services you should give or you should offer to a buyer, right? And if you choose for eBay Global Shipping, your AWB number uploads on eBay automatically. So you need not to go and upload every tracking detail, it gets automated. And as this is a single portal booking, you get all the access there. You can book your items in bulk. So for an example, in one day you got 100, you have to ship 100 shipments. You'll get the option of doing a bulk booking. You need not to do a single booking. And you also get itemized shipment invoice, which you obviously need for your paperwork. And along with that, we also have dedicated customer support from all the logistic partners. So these are the logistic partners who are associated with us: DHL Express, FedEx, DHL E-commerce, Bombino, Aramex, DTDC, and Letship. And these are the services type, as you can see on the screen, be it expedite, economy, what are their trackability, how many days they take to deliver the item, and what are their USP. So you can choose that which logistic, which services you want to opt for. All right, so we have spoken about eBay detailing, eBay business, eBay volume, velocity, what are the benefits, and what is the process. Now let's come to the benefits for FIO members, means whosoever is on the call, who are exporter and partnered with FIO. Because we have a very good relationship with FIO since long time. So this is an exclusive benefit we are providing only to FIO members. So what is that? So we are giving a free 6-month subscription of Basic Store. And that is only for FIO registered exporters who are registering on eBay as a seller for the first time. If you are already a seller, sorry to say, but you won't be able to have this because you must have taken this benefit earlier. So we are giving it to the sellers, to the exporters who are registering with eBay for the first time. So free 6-month subscription of Basic Store. What is Basic Store? So let's understand a bit detailing about Store. Store is kind of mini website for you. So you get a dedicated URL there where you get a kind of website where you can promote your inventory. You can put all the discounts, your promotions, and everything. If you see that, what is the charges of Basic Store? So monthly subscription, if you are not a FIO member, if it's a normal seller, us $27.95 per month for this subscription. But as I mentioned that it's free for 6 months, especially for FIO members. So it's free for 6 months. You need not to pay this amount. Once you opt for Store, you get 500 listings free every month. So if you want to list inventory more than 500, then obviously you'll get charged, but up to 500, there are no charges if you opt for a Store. So there you get 250 fixed price listing and 250 auction style listing. And even if you want to list more than 500 items, then you'll be charged as 10 cents per listing, which is normally without store, that's 35 cents. So you see the benefit that if you opt for a store, from that 35 cents per listing, you get a discount and you'll be charged 10 cents per listing. Apart from that, there is an option of vacation hold. So just one example. So if you have a offline store and if you want to go on vacation and you're not available to open that store, what you need to do, you don't have any option. You need to shut the store, and if any buyer comes to purchase any item, he won't be able to purchase, right? But with eBay, with online eBay business, if you opt for a store, you get an option of vacation. So in this case, you put your store on vacation. If buyer comes to buy something, he'll see buyer can purchase your item. So even if you're on store, even if you're not working, still you can get your business. Okay, so apart from that, there are multiple features of promotion and tools where you can have competitive analysis. You can get product-wise, category-wise insights. You can promote your items using discounts, promoted listing. You can send mailers to your buyers. So these are all benefits which is attached with the store. Along with that final value discount, you also get a discount on your final value fees. What is final value fees? That's a commission. So once you sell item on eBay, you have to give nearby 10% commission to eBay for selling the item. So if you have a store, you'll get a discount there. And as I earlier mentioned, that you also get a URL, dedicated URL, which may be www.ebaystores.com/your store name. You can rename your store. So you can, this way you can promote your brand as well. So in that store, you can create multiple categories and subcategories so that it's easy for a buyer to navigate and come to a final product and convert into a sales. So this is kind of designing. This is one sample of our seller who has designed this store. So as you can see on the top, there are categories being created. There is a banner if you want to promote any inventory or you want to run any promotion, any festive promotion, you can put a banner. So if a buyer comes here, he sees that, okay, wow, this is something different. There is something, promotions going on. So it attracts buyer and the chances of getting your item selling gets increased, right? And at the left panel, if you can see, there are subcategories. So for an example, if you deal in jewelry category and you have listed rings, so, and there are more than 2,000 items in rings. So as a buyer, if I come and purchase from you, I'll be confused because if there are no subcategories, I'll be confused that I cannot see 2,000 items at one go. So this seller has created multiple subcategories: band ring, between the finger, cocktail ring. So let's say if I want to purchase a diamond ring, I'll simply go on diamond ring and there are only 600 something items, and then I can see what I want to purchase. This is how after putting a promotion or sale page look like. So once a buyer comes, if he sees that sale pop up on the screen, obviously it's more, it attracts more to a buyer for conversion. So this is about store, how the designing and how it looks like. And I also shared the benefit of having the store. With this, as I said, that we partner with our seller, we don't compete with them. So this is the end of the presentation today. Thanks everyone. So now I'll open this for the questions. If you need any clarity or any details, I'm here to answer.
Chetan, would you like to read through the chat first?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Okay.
Myself, TP Singh from Automation. My question is how to export the engineering goods, like different type of engineering goods through your portal.
Engineering goods. Sir, can you share me any specific product?
Like bushage, shafts, pins, hinges, locks.
Okay, so as per my understanding, these are huge products, right?
Yeah, not huge product. This is the new product, and say we want to export to some country, and we at this moment we don't have the customer direct. This can be gone to OEM or tier one company or other company. How eBay is helping such small industries?
Hi sir, my name is Sachin. I'm from eBay. Sir, you can list this product in our business industrial category. So we have some relevant category and leaf where you can list this product for a global buyers.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah.
And it will be available on through registration, or it is a different process we have to follow?
No. It's through only registration process. We'll assign you one teammate. That
Yeah.
guy will assist you each and everything regarding this category as well as registration part, and that person will help you to start your business on eBay and in listing and overall queries, whatever you have regarding this product line.
Okay, good enough.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sachin.
Thanks, Sachin. Okay, so let's go with the questions which are on chat first, then we'll take questions, right? So there's one question regarding presentation. Will we get the presentation of eBay for future reference? Sir, I'll have to check with my internal team. If it's shareable, I will share with Soma ma'am, and you can get that from there. We have next question. What about ceramic porcelain export helps on eBay? Sachin, you want to answer this particular question? It's about ceramic products, I guess.
Yes, so we have a category, a home category, where he can list the ceramic products. But it's a fragile item, so we'll recommend choose appropriate logistic partner to deliver such items in global market.
Yeah, thanks, Sachin. So we have next question from Hevels. eBay is only B2C or this model is for B2B? So sir, this is a B2C platform only, but there are various categories where our seller experience that they get business sellers also, business buyers also. So they start from purchasing one item and then it gets to a bulk purchase.
Right. So we have some categories where you can list lots, wholesale lots.
Yes. Okay, so there's one question about herbal health supplement product. I have herbal health supplement products licensed under SSAI. Can it be sold internationally? Yes, sir, you can sell health products, but obviously you need to see that if you're already doing export offline, logistic is one thing, because right now only India Post takes this herbal and health products.
You can sell this product. It's a good product line, high in demand, herbal supplements in global market.
There's one more question from Tesh Ravikant. Is it possible to sell FMCG product? So sir, FMCG also you can send. The only thing you need to consider is, you know, expiry and manufacturing dates and all, because if you sell that item in India, it's easy. But if you export that, you need to look at expiry dates, because it should not be a case that you have sent that item and if it reaches, let's say within 20 days, 30 days and it got expired. So that's one thing where you need to take care. Otherwise you can do FMCG products. Option to sell agro products, particularly spices. So sir, for spices, you need to see that if your food, you know, FDA certification and everything, if you have that, you can sell that products abroad. Mr. Manish is asking about B2B business via eBay. As my colleague Sachin has already answered that we have a wholesale category on eBay. You can list your items in bulk, wholesale, and quantity. And if a buyer is interested, they can purchase in bulk. Sujata, you're asking about heavy products like plywood industry. So as we mentioned that you can list products in business and industrial category if you have heavy products, right, related to business industrial category. You can list and you can sell those items. Mr. Vikas Chandra, you have asked the question that one of our consultant has told you that you can use FBA as multi-channel service on Amazon.com. We have a presentation of eBay here, so I won't be able to share you answer related to Amazon.
Chetan, this is Vikas here. Am I audible
Yeah.
to you?
Yes, Vikas.
No. So this is not regarding selling it on Amazon. What I have understood is from one of our online consultant that since you do not have a warehousing in US, do you have?
So we have partnered, directly eBay does not have any warehouse facility, but we have partnered with Bombino.
Okay.
So Bombino provides a warehouse facility for our sellers.
Right. So what Amazon does is they do a multi-channel service through which they warehouse the product from any of the seller who's listed even at eBay, apart from Amazon.com also, and they facilitate with the warehousing and logistics as well in US itself. So we will not have to ship the product from India. So can you let me know about that? Elaborate me on this.
I understood your question now. So you're saying that you want to keep your items in Amazon warehouse and sell it for eBay platform.
Yes.
So sir, as per eBay's policy, you need to have a control on your inventory. Second, it should not go in a packaging of a competitor, because if a buyer receives an item in Amazon packing, it doesn't look good and it doesn't comply with our policy. So you cannot use that.
I think we need to understand upon that. I think this kind of service is already available. Probably little more information will be required from your side, or I need to dig up it a bit down.
So as per my understanding and as per my knowledge with this FBA is that they provide two kind of services. One is your items listed on Amazon and they ship it from there on your behalf. Second is they also provide you services where you can put your inventory using their warehouse and you can sell it on any other marketplace.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
So you are talking about the second option. So as I mentioned that because eBay track all the tracking and everything, and it comes under a policy violation if you use different, because in this case, I mean, this is a very long topic to discuss. We can also discuss offline this.
Yes.
The thing is, yeah, I think we'll connect offline for particular discussion.
Yes, because we'll get back to you on this offline. Okay.
Sachin
In
and
detail.
Chetan, if you can share your coordinates, email ID or something like that.
Sure.
Sure.
Separately.
What are the conditions to do cross-border sales? Is it considered as export? Yes, sir. So this is obviously an export. You need to have a GSTIN number, import-export code with you, AD code, and then you can sell your items with eBay to any other country. How to avail the FIO offer? Question from Sri Hari Charan. So Sri Hari ji, you need to connect with the FIO that you want to register with eBay, and once they pass on your contact information with us, our team will connect with you. This question from Veda, you will help us design our store on eBay, or do we have to do it yourself? Sir, so for category and everything will guide you. But for designing part, if you want to have any banner or something, you need to have a third-party services. But category designing, all category, subcategory, how to put the promotion, the way I showed that a sale logo looks on that page, right? All that can be done from our end. My BD team will support you on that. But designing of creative banners and everything, that's that's something where you need to look for third-party assistance. There is a question from Aparna, will you set up store or we have to do it? So ma'am, you just need to register with us and then our BD team will assist you that how to opt for a store. This is a simple process, just you need to go and subscribe a store. So please share your details if you are interested selling on eBay. Share your details with FIO team, with Soma ma'am, and then we'll assist you for further detailing. To register on 39 eBay location, any charges? So there is no charges, and registration happens only once. And once you registered with eBay, so as I mentioned, you need to have your proof of identity, proof of address, GSTIN number, AD code, an IC certificate, and then you can register with us. And once you register, you are allowed to sell on any site. You have access to it. Mr. Muhammad Amir Qureshi, so if you are interested to sell on eBay, please connect with FIO team. They'll forward your details with us, then only we'll be able to connect. So because this is a chain, right? Directly maybe the communication is not so smooth because we'll also get a confirmation that you're a FIO member once it comes from FIO team to us. So that will be a proper channel to follow. There is one question regarding BRC and inward remittance. So sir, once we speak to you, we'll share the details about BRC, FIRC and everything. Whatever details we have with us, we'll try to assist you in that. How is commission calculated? So commission is, so there are two different, we spoke about free store for 6 months. That is only store charges, what I mentioned, $27.19. Commission is will be calculated on every transaction. So your listing will be free as for store it's 500 listings. So till 500 you won't be able, you will not get charged for it. But after that, if you put any additional listing, you'll get charged. And for commission, it will be for every product. So eBay has, I mean, for most of categories, we have 10% nearby commission charge. For payments, there's one question from Nishant Akela. What other registration are required for exporters for foreign remittance like AD code? So as I mentioned, for eBay registration, I have shared the detail, what documents are required. And for payment receivable, you need to have your PayPal account. If you have already existing PayPal, you can use that. If you don't have any existing PayPal, you can create PayPal and you can link it with your existing bank account. So you need not to open a different bank account. That's that you need to look
connection issue at your end.
Hello?
Yes, you are audible.
So it means PayPal account is mandatory to operate at eBay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Because you'll get a foreign currency, right? And that cannot come directly to your bank account. So you need to have a payment gateway.
Do we need to engage any IOR?
IOR. Can you share me the full form of this?
Importer of record.
Importer on record. Okay. Sachin, you want to answer this?
Yeah, IOR means it totally depends on your logistic partner because it comes under logistic company. So logistic company will give you clear insight ki, for that particular item IOR is required or not.
Okay, so suppose today we want to start shipping, today we want to start the business with eBay. We need to hold the inventory here in India or in US. Suppose we want to operate in US market.
Yes.
So where do you want me to hold the inventory?
In both way you can run eBay business. Means you can ship from India or you can ship from US.
but for low cost product like edible products and say spices or some confectionery, it will be very difficult to operate because the logistics cost will be very higher if you operate from here in India.
So we have a tie-up with Bombino, so you can keep your inventory in Bombino warehouse.
In US itself.
Yes.
With this tie-up with Bombino will be done by eBay, or shall I have to sign a separate agreement for that contract?
So we have a tie-up with Bombino. We'll provide you details, and you can register yourself on Bombino site, and Bombino team help you
Okay.
for further process and all.
Yeah. So just addition to Sachin's point, once you are registered with us on eBay and eBay Global Shipping Program, will assist you to be on board with the Bombino services.
Right. So before doing that, Chetan, I would be requesting you for all these support in terms of how the operations will be taken care and how the logistics will be done. If we can talk separately onto that.
Sure.
Because
Right. Thank you.
there are questions regarding herbal and Ayurvedic product. Yes, this is a category with us. You can sell Ayurveda and herbal, which is in a great demand in US and UK.
The margins are quite low. We have low MRPs for our products. The same question asked by Vikas that how the shipping would be extremely high. So why would the buyer purchase for with such low MRP products with such high shipping charges? You know.
Yeah, Mr. Govind. So if you have a high price for shipping those items, you can add that to your shipping charges. So even if a buyer from US purchases any item from India, he also knows that if I am going to purchase this, the shipping cost will be there, right? So you need not to worry about pricing that buyer will purchase or will not purchase. It happens. Buyer purchases the item because they want to do it, so they pay for additional shipping also.
Okay, thank you.
My question, please.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes.
I just wanted to ask, do you have your presence in Middle East countries?
Could not hear you, sir.
Chetan, they wanted to know that whether you have your presence in the Middle East countries.
I'm sorry, I'm unable to.
I think there is a connectivity problem at her end. Mr. Sachin, can you reply?
Yes. Yes, Middle East country buyers have the access of eBay site. Okay, they can purchase the items from ebay.com. Hello.
Now, how about the deliveries?
Yeah, pardon?
Call my query, please.
What I said is your logistic services, they cater to the Middle East countries also?
Yes, yes. FedEx and DHL will help you to deliver your item in Middle East country.
Okay. Shall we move to next question? I see there are a lot of questions on chat box.
Yeah, we are waiting
Yeah.
for this.
Yeah. Okay. How we can advertise or promote product, and are there any charges charged by eBay? So sir, there are multiple ways you can promote your inventory. So for an example, as I shared that with store you get a unique URL. You can go and post it to your social sites as well, or if you do any SEO in other countries. Along with that, within eBay we have promoted listing a feature where you need to just put your promotion in that campaign, and your items will be sponsored there, and it will be visible basis your item, quality and everything, basis the search result. So that is there. Along with that, with store you also have the option of putting your items on promotion and discount. That also comes into visibility. So these are a few ways you can use to advertise your product. Along with that, if you already have existing buyer base, you can promote your store link, you can promote your inventory through mailers and everything. What other registration are required for exporter remittance? Okay, I think we have already spoke about documents required. Packaging assistance, sorry, Nitisha, we don't provide packaging assistance.
Chetan,
You
I
need
think
to-
you
you
missed
need
my
to take
question.
care.
I think so. You missed my question.
Jatin,
Yeah.
Can you put the question again, please? Mr. Jatin?
Can I speak?
Yes, please.
yes, please.
Yeah, we are into manufacturing of metal powders and ferroalloy powders. So can you please help me out if we have any potential customers via on eBay sites? You see,
Okay.
then only it will be worthful for us.
Sachin, would you like to talk about particular this category?
What kind of product?
Metal powders, ferroalloy powders, minerals
Uh,
and chemicals.
We'll check and get back to you.
Yeah, I think we need to check the demand.
We-
That which country has the demand, and then because right now we don't have that.
Yes.
Handy.
Yeah, because I have frequently checked on eBay sites. There are multiple range of products except our related products. That's why I asked the question.
So give me a date, I will get back to you on this.
No problem, Sachin. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next question is from Mehul Patel. Clarify how to open store on eBay. Sir, my team will assist you on this. Please share your detail with Soma ma'am. We'll connect with you.
Chetan, there is a question on whether N95 marks can be sold on eBay for local and export market, and what is the sequence of selling process?
Sachin, what is the update on N95? As per my understanding, that was not allowed as per government.
Government rules, yeah.
Government policy is around this, so it's not allowed.
So now it's free. Now it is allowed, I think.
Yeah, if government has allowed, then eBay
eBay can
allow
do it. Okay.
Then you can sell this item on our
Yeah.
site.
The
eBay can
circular
sell.
N95 already received in this one. So you can sell export N95 masks to any country. Now it is free to export.
It can be done, sir.
We'll take another 2 to 3 questions. So if you can see some
I'm
relevant
just,
to yours. Yeah.
why? Because I see 85 unread questions. So maybe
We won't be able to take all of them.
Yeah.
They can write to us, and we'll get back to them by taking the queries from you, answers from you. But 2 to 3 more questions we can take, and then end the session. Anybody want to speak?
Yeah, that will be better if there are few questions. We can
Any
take the next
questions where people can speak?
Hello.
Yes, please. Go ahead. Mr. Krupananda.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we sell food products like ghee, honey in eBay?
Food products.
Honey.
Food products like ghee and honey. Yeah.
Yes, sir, you can sell that. You just need to see that if it's a liquid item, which logistic partner is carrying that. Second, you also need to look at your manufacturing and expiry date. And you will have to put that in your listing. So there is no confusion. And if that item gets delivered to any country, let's say within 20 days, the expiry date should not be there. I mean.
Okay. So there is a category for food items also, right?
Yes.
Okay. And regarding the packing material, do to buy the packing material from eBay or we have to have
Internet ठीक नहीं है क्या?
oh
my God.
Is it eBay
Breaking
packing
Yeah.
logo on the packing boxes? Do we need to buy the packing material from eBay?
Okay, so sir, though your voice was breaking, but still,
Hello?
I suppose I was able to understand your question. You're talking
Yeah.
about packaging.
I'm
material.
asking, do we need to buy the packing material from eBay?
No, sir. So we don't provide any services for packaging.
Correct,
material.
correct, yes.
Right.
We don't have that. You need to do it by your own.
Madam, I am SK Wag. Am I
Okay,
allowed
fine.
to
So
ask
it could be
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
if
Hello?
I have a Flipkart cartoon, can I ship it on Flipkart cartoons also?
No, sir. You cannot use any other platform's packaging. It should be, without any branding.
Hello?
You can use your brand if you have your
Okay.
own brand. If you have your own company, you can have that logo or name, but you cannot use any other marketplace's branding.
Packaging materials, right?
Yeah.
And regarding the listing in other countries, do we have to list in each and every country eBay website, or there is a common website for all?
So, sir, while with US listing means if you list an item on ebay.com, you already get a visibility to 39 markets. So you need not to go on specific site and list the item. You can do it with listing on single site.
Can I ask you? Hello?
Yes, Mr.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, Mr. Jagdish.
Yeah, I am Jagdish Parikh from Mumbai. Thanks to FIO for such knowledgeable events and webinars. My question to eBay is that whether we are able to sell the chemical products. We can sell the chemical products in bulk or in small packing.
You're talking about dental products, right?
No,
Chemical.
Usually in pharma and food industries. Usually in pharma and food industries, whether we can sell the product through eBay, and yes, what is the maximum value of the limit of per order? I want to sell chemical products used in food and pharma industry. Is it possible?
Sachin.
We need to check because in pharma you can only sell OTC product.
No, my product is chemicals, additives, not the formulations.
Sir, give me a daytime. I will get back to you on this. For
How will
chemical
you send reply to me through FIO?
Mr. Jagdish, you can
Just drop your detail.
you can email to FIO.
Yeah.
And we will
With
write
your
to
query.
eBay for the query. With your
Okay.
query, you can write to you know the email ID. You can write to us. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ketan, I just have one question.
We'll take last two questions, please. Yeah, Mr. Ravikant, you wanted to speak?
Ketan, I just have last two question is that whether we should have mandatory store or can't we list our product without store? This is number one. Number two, for spices we have Spiceport. For handicraft we have EPCH department. So to sell these items, do this department play any role to sell in eBay? That's all. Thank you.
So your first question is related to what was your first question? Can you please repeat it for me?
My question is that
without store. Okay.
Do we need store mandatory or can't we list our product?
No, you can list your item without store as well. But yes, because we are giving this exclusive services to FIO, so you can have 6 month free store. But yes, if you don't want to go for store adoption, you can list without store as well. But that free listing and everything will not be there, right? You'll get only 50 listings free. With store, you get 500 listings free.
And what about my second question?
Second question, sir, you need to repeat for me, please.
See, for every product, almost there are different departments. Like for example, if we are selling spices, we have Spiceboard. If we are selling handicraft, we have EPCH department. So do we need any special permission or any license to sell in eBay to US market? For example, if we are selling red chili, so there are some phytosanitary certificate we need. We need some fumigation certificate and FSSI department and NOC from Spiceboard when we export in bulk to other country. So
Are you doing this you doing this in domestic market, or you already exporting these items?
No, we are exporting in container through to Malaysia and other country, but we require permissions for each consignment. There is a lab test. and they give us the NOC from Spice Board, and only then we are allowed to export.
So, sir, all the certification and license is required. If you even sell through online channel, it is required. You just need to see the solution that, because right now you are sending through container, right? And in retail export, you need to send one item. So I think you just need to look at the solution that how you'll, clear all the, whatever requirements is there. For every product, you need to clear that as per country's law.
Because every country has different food standards, which you need to meet if you're exporting in that particular country.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yes.
Shamaji, just one last small question.
Yeah, no, we can take a few more questions, so please go ahead.
Can you tell me in brief GST implications on this?
GST, okay. So, sir, as eBay is in India is a Singapore entity, so the invoice of eBay will be in US dollar. So you need not to pay any GST.
Okay.
So there's a
hello, I would like
yes,
to ask a question. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you, Madam Chetan, for your unique presentation. So I have been already, registered, by the recommendation of you in eBay, and I am very thankful to the person who has actually introduced me. But even in spite of that, I have got, few questions because everything must be clarified. Firstly, you take 10% and PayPal will take 5%. So actually, I have to properly strategize my, what will be my price. So price, one part is that some procurement price will be there, then my profit will be there. And then there is a big cost, that is logistics. Logistics now, suppose if I have seen in eBay or the Amazon.com, suppose I want to sell the cashew nuts, it is only 400 grams or 500 grams. So I have gone to, India Post. They have got certain charges up to 250 grams, then beyond that 250 grams. So it is very important to find out what will be my logistic cost. Because then putting the logistic cost, whatever the price will be there, then over that you will charge 10%. PayPal will charge 5%. So in totality, there will be a value and it can be converted into US dollar. And then I'll have to compare whether in that price I'll be able to sell it or not. Otherwise, no point, selling. So this is and moreover, you have also said that, there is some promotional concession you are giving. 4.5 or something you have mentioned in your this thing. Let me check up what you have said. It is the final value discount. You have given final value discount. So when it is applicable, suppose 10% if I have to give, or if I get some discount, then by minus discount, the price comes down. So actually, strategizing my price is a very important thing. There actually, we are getting some little bit confused that, how to put our price. And then number two, suppose if I do not really level, if I procure some Metro Cash and Carry and if I want to sell it, then I have to just make my own packaging with I have got also trademark registrations and with that. So there actually, I can mention the grams or weight, but the dimensions and all these things, sometimes it is difficult. But you are also asking that you give the dimensions and all these things. So many these things to furnish becomes difficult. So, but without that, actually the listing, listing has to be done properly so that the customer is attracted. So for that, one thing is my rating. So I am a new, the new seller, so there is no rating. Rating I will get afterwards. But main thing is the prices. So if the price is attractive, then only I can sell. Now for making the price, logistic cost is very important. So logistic partner can be India Post. I have already gone to India Post. They have already given me some pamphlet. You are writing that you have got also a calculator. So at this point, I am a little bit confused that how to put my price. Because, okay, I have identity in my website. There are, in the beautiful website, I have put video and the blog and so many things. But when that is for the export market, is a bulk. But when I am just selling it to the eBay, that is in a very small quantity, 400 down, 500 down.
I understood your question, sir. So the thing is, mainly you are concerned about how I'll price my item and how I'll put that on the listing. So one thing, once you register with us, we also recommend how to do the pricing and calculation if you want that assistance. So my team, my business development team can assist you on that. So
I want that because I have already registered with you. But this is a point where I am stuck off.
Okay.
So I am already registered with you.
Okay. In interest of everybody's time, I'll share you the brief of the calculation how you can do. You have your cost price, you have your shipping price, as I already mentioned. You cannot do it for every item. That I totally agree with you, because being a businessman, you cannot go on each listing and put a price and cut to cut, okay, this is my margin and this is how. So the way sellers do it, or the way I also understand, is that you need to plan on a bulk inventory. So for an example, if you are dealing in, for an example, jewelry and silver jewelry, you need to see that, okay, this is my inventory. Let's say it cost me 1 crore rupees. What will be my profit I want to make on the overall my 1 crore rupees inventory? You need to add your profit margins. You need to add commission of eBay, PayPal, and then you need to look at that. You want to offer a free shipping, or you want to add that to your listing shipping cost, right?
In case of free shipping, then
then you need to see that, okay, my let's say jewelry inventory varies from 50 gram to, let's say, 500 grams, right? And obviously for 50 gram and 500 grams, you cannot put the same shipping charges. Maybe from 50 to 100 grams, you can have a slab.
That's what I'm asking.
You need to have those segments. So for an example, my 1 crore INR inventory, these many inventory is, let's say, 50 gram to 100 gram. Then you had decided 100 to 200. That way you can cut. You can prepare a cut, and then you can see that, okay, India Post or any other logistic, 50 gram to 100 gram, what are the charges? Because it is like similar for 50 gram or 100 gram. So if it's, let's say, 210 rupees, you can see that what I need to price for particular this segment, this lot. Same thing you can do for different lots. But yes, for every item, it's not possible.
I have understood, madam, your point. But what I want to say, that India Post, if I choose them as my logistic partner, I have already gone. They have given me a pamphlet where the prices are there. But at the same time, you have said that eBay also can be my logistic partner. You have got also your site, and there is a calculator and all this.
Yeah.
So definitely, I would like to the compare that if India Post is my logistic partner, then what is the price? And if eBay is my logistic partner, then what will be the price? So, and you have also said that there is a calculator. You have already in your presentation, you have mentioned that your global something, there is a calculator. So I am now mainly interested that how to put my price. Once by putting the price, adding eBay's commissions and everything, some price I will arrive at, keeping my profit and all this. Then I'll have to see what is the price it is being sold in eBay or Amazon.com. Suppose my price is coming something like $15, and eBay or the Amazon.com similar item is being sold in $25. So then I can make a strategy, okay, even if I go up to $20, even if it will be attractive. Because I'll have to first make the margin less, but make more business.
Chetan,
and then also
would you mind if I reply to him?
So actually, here I want a calculator that how I'll be able to do my calculation. Number two, you have mentioned that you are giving some concession, 4.5 to 9. What is that?
So, sir, that concession is if you opt for a store. So, on final value fees, because our category-wise final value fees varies from 4% to 10%, then you get a certain discount depending upon the category. That, okay, let's say in XYZ category there is 10%, and after discount it will be, let's say, 9% or 9.15%. So that detail we can share offline in interest of everyone.
Yes, actually, madam, these tips are required because now I am very much excited to, sell through eBay. Really, I find this a wonderful platform. So actually, I have proceeded partly. I have registered, I have put something, but other part, actually, whenever I am researching on the products which are sold, there actually I am getting a little bit confused. And it is a very important thing to make my proper price strategy. Without price strategy, why people will take? And then also, some other gentleman has also asked that USDA, GMP, there are a lot of certification. MPN, there are a lot of certification, particularly for the food items. Food items, those things are required. So once I am listing and the things is being collected from my home and then it is being sent. So where is the, the customs and this inspection and all these things, where these things are being, how, what is the logic, how, process? Because, I suppose I am purchasing something from a metro cash and I'm telling you. Now they are not issuing this GNT and all these things. Might be that foreign customer, they are giving me some specifications. So I am giving some specifications, but at the same time, his certificates are also required.
Shamal sir, I understood, and I got your, sorry to cut you, but because there are a lot of people who are waiting for the turn.
Understand,
so surely,
understand.
Yeah, I think it can be taken up one-to-one with your eBay. You can write to them since you are already listed with them. Registered with them, you can write your query to them and they will reply to you accordingly. We can go ahead, I think, with the next issue. I want to ask a question which has come up in chat, but it's important because you have told that the seller can go on vacation mode and yet the customer will be able to make the purchase. But if the seller is on a vacation mode, how he will fulfill his order?
All right. So in that particular option, you get the option and setting the way you automate your mail, right? Same way you get the option in vacation mode. If a buyer comes to your listing, it's visible. Buyer is purchasing your item. There, buyer will get a pop-up saying that seller is on vacation. He will return on so and so date. So if you are willing to purchase, you can purchase and your item will be delivered after this date. So this is the setting you can do that will be automated. So buyer will get an automated pop-up. So once he get, and then it's buyer's choice. If he wants to wait, buyer can wait, and you will have the responsibility to ship the item once you return back. Return back means till the time you have put that store on vacation. So you need to mention that timeline and dates there to communicate with buyer. That's a very interesting tool to use. Yeah.
Thank you. Mr. Panikar, you wanted to speak? Mr. Majid Panikar? Anybody else?
Yeah, madam, just a question here. So if the customer is not satisfied with the product and would want to return, then how does this process work with eBay?
Okay, returns. So return, first of all, while you list your item on eBay, there is a return policy you can choose. So you can also opt for no returns. You can also opt for return with buyer pays a return shipping. You can also choose free returns. So it's up to you what return policy you want to choose. One. Second, if you choose for return policy, right? And if item arrives to buyer, so maybe there will be reasons to return. Maybe buyer did not like, maybe buyer changed the mind. So if buyer did not like, if there is a quality related issue, then you need to take care of, return the product and take care that what is the exact issue with your product. If it's like, if it's buyer's at a fault, buyer will have to pay. If seller is at a fault, seller has to solve it. Then it depends, you want to offer a partial refund or you want to take that item return. And the return percentage is very negligible. So I think you need not to worry about it. It's hardly 2% kind of. Hello?
Thank you, madam.
Welcome.
Chetan, this is Arun. This is a continuation of the previous question. You talked about that 2%, hardly 2%. What is it? That is a commission to the eBay on the cancelled transaction or what?
No, I was talking about the return percentage. That's not the exact data, but overall, whatever transaction happens online with eBay, nearby 2% items get returned as an overall platform I was talking about. So 2% is kind of negligible, right? So if you sell 100 items, only 2 items gets returned. So that's way return is a thing, right?
Okay. Even those transactions will be accounted for eBay's commission?
Yes, eBay commission gets charged on that. And if it's a product related concern, then the commission will be there.
Okay, thank you.
I think we can have 2-3 questions. If
So,
anyone.
Arun
yeah.
here again. Can I proceed?
Yes, yes, Mr. Arun, please.
Yeah. Can I have my own courier agency for shipping?
Yes, yes, you can opt for any private logistic if you have your own company or any other agencies, or you can also partner with us. That's up to you. It's your choice.
Thank you.
So do we have the option of, I mean, I'm just wondering, when we list, is the seller details up in your website as well? Do they get to see, or is it just that they get to see the make is in India and maybe just some email address? How does it work for the buyer and seller to communicate?
Okay. So Aparna, on eBay, once you list, so your registration detail and documents and contact detail, everything is hidden. I mean, no other seller can see that, right? As a buyer and seller communication, so once a buyer purchases any item from you, then you will be able to see buyer's contact detail, right? And buyer will be able to see once you share the details of tracking and your contact detail, he'll be able to see that. So this is how buyer seller communication happens on site.
Okay, understood. Another question, if I may ask, a real quick one. So is there a separate registration fee? Like, we are new to FIO and we'd want to go ahead and list our products. So I'm just wondering, is it like there is a separate registration fee and the listing is free? And I'm just wondering how that works.
Okay. So ma'am, for eBay registration, it's free for everyone, every seller. And exclusive benefit we spoke about for FIO exporter is store. So eBay registration, selling on eBay is a separate thing. And store is a different subscription where we are offering this for 6-month free subscription specifically to FIO exporters. If you don't want to opt for store, if you directly want to start, you can do it. And registration is free. There are no charges for eBay registration for selling.
Okay, understand. Thank you.
Not here.
Any more questions, or can we wrap it up?
Madam, just one more question again, Aparna here.
Okay.
How do we calculate
Okay.
the logistic cost with respect to an item?
See, ma'am, the logistic cost for any product, there are 2 ways of calculating it. Whether it goes weight-wise or it goes volumetric, right? This is your width and height and everything of the product if it's a huge product, right? And for eBay Global Shipping, as I mentioned, that we have a shipping calculator there. So if your product is volumetric, you need to put your dimensions and the calculation and along with that the country where you want to send, and basis that calculation, that shipping calculator gives you a price that this will be cost to this country for this particular item. That is how you can calculate your shipping cost.
So which means we as seller need to select that, but the buyer really doesn't get the option. Did I get it right?
Buyer, you can offer the options of shipping, delivery and services. So for example, you have listed one item which you can send through DHL and FedEx both. And there are services like standard, economy and expedited. If you have given that option in your listing, then buyer is able to choose. So for an example, economy is a cheaper service, right? And standard and expedite are higher rates. So if you have given 3 options in your listing that I can send through economy as well, I can send through standard and expedite also. So for economy, it's free. For expedite, let's say I am charging $7. So if buyer wants that, I want this product with expedite shipping, because that's obviously the timeline will be shortened, right? So if buyer can opt for expedite shipping, he'll pay you $7 or $9 extra, whatever price you have, quoted there, and then buyer can purchase that. And then you need to send the item using the services which buyer has, chosen.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Aparna. We'll end up the session, today's session now. And I thank Ms. Chetan for taking this very wonderful, her presentation and her replies to the queries so promptly. And I thank Mrs. Sachin also for coming back with very quick replies on several matters, which were very helpful. I'm very sure the participants were very facilitated by the replies, and I request the members who have not yet taken this opportunity of getting registered with eBay to take it as soon as possible. And the participants who are not our member, please do get a registration with PO so that you can take the advantage of that free listing for 6 months. That will really help you to choose a market or to find out a market which you can do offline later on after observing that the particular market is good for you or is viable for you. So this is a very good way of getting knowledge of your market, of your future market, or your of a marketing strategy. So I request all of you, and I thank all of you for joining us today in this session, and we are sure we'll do more programs like this and meet you again. So good afternoon, good evening to all of you. I end the session. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks for you.